It's so cool, man. Welcome back to our video series on this 49 Ford body swap BMW. I want to give you guys a recap as to where we're at right now. We're actually out on the road, topping it off on some gas. We've overcome some issues with the ECU, and we figured out something, and we're hoping that that's what it's at right now. So we're hoping this thing's going to run right. So we're going to take you guys along for a little drive. So we're out today driving the 49 around, and man, it is a beautiful day out here in southern Arizona. I want to just bring you guys up to speed. In addition to all the metal fabrication that we've been doing on this car, we also embarked on this mission of swapping out the twin turbos from the BMW engine. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, why I'm saying BMW on this 49 Ford, go check out the previous videos. So we decided to swap the twin turbos to a single top mount turbo. It's a Garrett G-Series turbo. It's mounted on a Doc Race intake. That actually shouldn't have happened at the time of the project that it did, but we had a little downtime on the body fabrication at that time, so we thought we'd hop in on that and start working on it. Well, that turned into a much bigger project, and it's given us some issues along the way. And so we're still working on the body work on this car, but in the meantime we were working on this turbo and the electronics that go along with it. And so we've actually done some self-inflicted wounds along the way. If you guys watched a couple episodes ago, we killed the ECU in the car, literally just fried it. So we had to get that replaced, but we weren't sure what was wrong at first. So there were some unknowns there for a while. And so now finally we got that all in, and then we forgot to switch a setting on the JB4, which is the electronic side of this tuning system on the car. And because of that, the car kept going into limp mode every time I got on the gas. So this is our first time out with the car actually running really good. So we're working with Troy from Fluent Tune. Has been designing a custom tune for this car and making some updates on it. And so we were going down a rabbit trail for a while, but we're back on track. So now we're out just driving around, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. The channel's growing. We're really excited about that. And we do appreciate your comments too. It's, overwhelmingly positive comments. There's a couple that, people don't know why we chopped up a 49 Ford like this, but this car was already lost. It was a lost case. We brought it back to life, and I hope you guys enjoy the Born Again project that we're working on. Hi. Yes, ma'am. Never done this before, so it's gonna be fun to see if it fits through the window. Oh, look at that! Woo, fits just perfect. Thank you. Not fun person. We're getting not fun people the whole time, man. This sucks. Still won't do the thing. We still need a little more tunage. I think that has to do with the traction control though. As good as it was pulling before.